don't understand anymore. In the center, of course, in cities it's below a bit. Ano?
Hindi yun yung point.
You're thinking I'm right, you are right, parang ganon. It's like that.
Walang mali. Parang ganun. Parang,
Sino?
hindi, sa akin, parang walang may kasalanan. Parang ganun.
What means that? Anong ibig sabihin?
Hindi ka sinabi mo. Ganun. Sinabi mo. Totoo yun.
Yeah, but I really said it's not against it because I'm Filipina too, and I don't say something against it, of course. Because you're telling me parang I say something against it. That's not true.
Hindi yun.
Bakit?
Of course, kilala na kita. Hindi. Of course, kilala ko na yung attitude, yung ugali. Kilala na kita. Kaya,
Yeah, because you're talking like, oh, don't talk about it because the people don't understand you, and parang ganon, and sometimes, of course, it's like that. I'm feeling not good anymore because maybe I said something wrong, or I don't know. No, yes, say it.
not,
So I understand you too. But you understand me, huh?
oh,
Maybe you're thinking I'm not mabait person.
Uy.
Sometimes I'm thinking like that. Because you never said to me I'm mabait. Really,
ano?
I'm mabait.
Hindi.
No, you don't say it to me. About something about my personality. Really, it's the point. We don't talk about
Pero
it.
alam ng lahat. Kuya knows, sinabi ko din yung interview ko, yung kay Mariel and kami ni Chris. Chinese, then si Linda, half din. Tapos si Alex, half.
Super hot.
Hindi, yung mga sunod sa akin. Kaya ako talaga,
Super your
ako half
team.
ako pero, di ba, province. So,